So welcome guys. By the way, before we get started, please if you've not subscribed, I want you to actually do so now. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I'll watch out for it. Now let's take a look at this gold, right? We'll try to predict the movement as we can. You clearly can see, if you are to zoom it out, right, on the full trend on this daily time frame, there's only one movement we've been seeing, we've been getting ever since that gold, which is a bearish move. So I mean, we've been dropping for for some days, then all of a sudden, we kind of have this correction, and this correction, I think this correction is more visible on the weekly time frame though. But we can see on this daily time frames that we are kind of like on a bullish move. If you take a look at this movement, one, a correction was made here, another bullish move was here. This is one of the reasons why we actually open and close bearish on the 5th. I'm seeing it as a correction. So after this correction, we are expecting another bullish move again. So this gold, right, we are still on a bullish move. It's exactly what I'm seeing. Until this price comes to take this level multiple times, we see that this price reacted at this level once, it came here again twice, and also came here for the 3rd time. So now we are seeing this bullish move, very much likely to go bullish, to react at this same level again on gold USD. So basically, our gold to our USD is still on a bullish move. That is the reason why I said we are going bullish. Now, second reason is that I've applied the 10-period moving average. Those of you who trade 10-period moving average, you all know the rules of trading it. Once it is above it, then we have to go long. So on this 10-period moving average, our price is still above it, so we have to still go long, meaning we are still on a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this third reason by looking at our USD index. If you take a look at this movement here, this was around 8, which is 8/11, which is August. Ever since then, we've been going bullish. If you notice that as this USD index has been giving us this bullish move, we've actually been having this bearish move on our gold. By the way, this was about 8/11. As this USD index was giving us the bullish move, then our gold was dropping. If you also notice here, which is around 7/19, you will know that this gold has been going bullish. It was at this same period USD index has been giving us that bearish move, so which is around 7 here. It has actually been giving us that bearish move. Now take a look at this USD index. We've been dropping right this. As we are dropping at this moment, this is why our gold to USD has been going bullish. Now I want you to now pay attention. If you look at this USD index, you have to zoom it out. We are on a bullish move, right? Now after this bullish move, this is the highs, right? You will see that we are now on a bearish move as a pullback, right? This pullback is giving us a bearish move. So is the pullback over? I personally don't believe so. I would love to see the pullback over at this level, because price once reacted here, it's reacted there and it broke above it. So we would want to see price come to test this same level. So as this price is going to test the same level, which will be giving us a bearish move, then we would continue to see that bullish move on this our gold, by the way. So we would want to see gold actually roll up to take out this level highs here. So as this USD index, right, is giving us the bearish move, we would be seeing a bullish move on gold. Now let's take a look at this for our time frame, right? You can see this impulse move downward, a correction, impulse move downward, a correction. This, we can see this as a correction on USD index. We are now expecting a drop again. This drop will actually trigger this gold price to actually push up. So guys, watch out for it. Very much likely to go bullish. Now let's see what this for our time frame says. You can clearly see it on this for our time frame. To actually enter this trade, you can see that we are on an uptrend. We see this higher highs, a correction, another higher highs, a correction. We see this huge higher highs. Of course, we should get a correction, which we've actually gotten at this level. Now that this correction is over, we are now seeing another impulse move. So this gold, we are still on a bullish move, by the way.